What's up, everyone? It's Rick here with UTV Source. We're out here in Sand Hollow with MTX Audio. We got Brad and Jason, and they brought some machines out today, and we're going to get into the nuts and bolts of what makes MTX Audio so unique.
So on the Can-Am X3, we have an 8-speaker kit. What makes our 8-speaker kit a little different than others is we went with a 12. Most people did 10s.
Gotcha.
We went with a 12 because bigger is better.
It is.
Something else that's a little unique on ours is the dash speakers. As you know, many others do 6s, 8s, 4s. We also did a 4, but we custom built our 4 so it could be aimed at you.
Would that be called R.A.A.D technology?
Yes, it would.
And what is R.A.A.D mean?
Well, in layman's terms, basically we took the time when we were designing the speaker to use the rider's location in the car as our target. So we're almost trying to aim it at you. Where Brad alluded to some of our competitors, they put the speakers in the top of the dash. Where's the sound going?
Up.
Exactly. So basically, we aimed them at you.
So the sound is clear, crisp, and it's unique.
It's not getting washed away by the wind.
So speaking about getting washed away and how we kind of beat on these machines, the connections with MTX Audio, are they specific per terminal?
Basically, these kits are all plug and play, and they only plug in one way. So you can't, there's not really a way to screw it up, and they are all sealed connections.
Oh, nice. So everything is plug and play, specific per vehicle, and it's called the Thunder-8 in the Can-Am.
Yep.
And then you have the Thunder-5.
Right, in the Pro XP. So when you're in this vehicle, it feels like it's an OEM system.
Nice.
We're utilizing the ride command, we're utilizing the speaker location, and we're utilizing the tweeter location. When we designed our tweeter, we actually give you the capabilities as the end user to attenuate it before you even install it. Basically, you can back it down, turn the volume just down on the tweeters.
That's pretty cool.
Rather than, because if you just went to the head unit, turn the treble down, you're turning down a big frequency band, not just the tweeter.
And in the Can-Am, you get the 12-inch sub, which is an industry first, by the way. And that's pretty unique.
Well, you actually get two 12-inch subs. There's one under each seat.
That's so rad.
And in the Polaris, we have to utilize a 10, but it's also ported.
Yeah.
So we get that extra bump of bottom end and the ported enclosure.
That's pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool.
Okay.